Hey, good afternoon everybody. It's Ned over My Philippine Dreams. Today we are down at Port Royale. This just recently opened last week. It's a little water park down near El Oriente on the southern tip of Dumaguete City. So come along and check it out. All right, and at the eastern end, obviously, because there's the ocean, they got like a little area here set up with some cannons in case, you know, we get invaded by the Moro again. Dumaguete actually comes from Dumaguete, which means to snatch. So if the Moro come, we're gonna blow them up with those cannons. And they got a boat here. And let's go up on the boat. I christen thee. And you can see Apo Island down that way. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but Mindanao is right over there. They just had an earthquake yesterday. Siquijor, of course. La Isla del Fuego, the Isle of Fire. And way over there is Cebu, and you can see Sumilan Island also. And there's a freighter. And they got a little beach here. Yeah, you don't want to go swimming in that. No, definitely don't want to go swimming in that. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Now do some swinging. Because as we all know, you're a swinger. Excellent. Excellent swinging. Okay, we have to take a her butt hurts break. Fuck. They lost already. There you go. AJ will go that far. And I didn't realize this, but Port Royale is right next to El Oriente, the old beach resort, in need of a little TLC. Yeah.
AJ!
You went so fast. It was Speed Demon. Alright, and this is the green slide at the very top. And I weigh 88 kilos, so if you're heavier, you might not want to do this one because two foreigners went down here, one of them being me. and we got pretty banged up on this. The problem is the turns are all really tight, and there's no real bankment. And if you get some speed, if you're laying down and you're not sitting up and trying to brake, you can actually get a really good speed going in here. And I'm a little concerned about somebody flying over the side of that. Then it goes around again, and again there's no real big bank on it. I don't know, man. The other foreigner, he weighed more than me. He was probably like 220 pounds. And he was going so fast, he tried to grab the handrails there and ripped his hands all up really bad. So, avoid the green one if you're over 80 kilos. 88 kilos? I'm 88 kilos right now. 193 pounds. Somewhere. Danger. Delicado. Yeah, it's not so bad when you're like 100 pounds. Alright, it's afternoon. It's time to go. The music's blasting in the background. How did you guys like Port Royale?
Yay!
Alright, that's a vote of confidence. Listen that over at My Philippine Dreams. This is Chichai and her extended family, her nieces and nephews. We'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Bye. You can do it. Just lift up your leg, hold on to the rope. There you go. No, you gotta put your foot through it. There's one. Now put your other foot through it. There you go. Don't crash.
I can do it.
You're stuck? You can't get out? Oh, this is the best part of the video. Just hold on to the rope and jump.
I can't.
You can do it. Alright, we gotta take a break for station identification. She's stuck. Oh, there you go. Good job. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.